back to my channel. It's your girl Nick and a K. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Merry Christmas to everyone. It is Christmas time. Honestly, this is my favorite holiday. Oh, before I get into my little story, if you're an oldie but goodie, thank you so much for returning back to your girl's channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by my little small part in the YouTube universe. If you do enjoy the content here on this channel, on this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and also hit that subscribe button down below. But yeah, guys, let's get into the video. No guys, but since I moved to America, it's still been my favorite holiday because this is a time when me and my family come together, even though we also have Thanksgiving. Sometimes not my entire family spend time together during Thanksgiving. So Christmas is our time where we make effort to spend together. And so yeah, it's my favorite Christmas and it's my favorite holiday. And we go extra shit. So we dress up PJs on Christmas Eve. And then on Christmas Day, we actually do like a fancy dressing or whatever. I'm gonna insert a picture so y'all can see, like, it's extra. And we have dinner and then we do gifts in the evening. Cause their reasoning is that ain't nobody about to have an empty tree on Christmas Day, so we go open gifts at Christmas night. And I'm just like, why? But it is what it is, and I'm cool with it. I actually love these. I just be acting like I don't, but I really love them. Like, my family knows. But yeah, share in the comments down below, like, what are your guys' family tradition for Christmas? I know we can't all be together with our family on Christmas, but you know, it is what it is. We gotta work with what we can and make the best out of the situation. I'm about to go on a virtual Christmas games, Christmas gift opening situation in a couple minutes. So Roro tried it, but she did nothing but a thing. Okay, so anyways guys, after all of that, I know you guys came here to see who is the giveaway winner, and your girl is excited. So it is 3 p.m. here in South Korea. The giveaway is still open, but once this video comes out, that means the giveaway is closed. Your girl's doing a little editing. She's gonna add in the winner, all of that, and then we're done, you know? Oh, I love Voguing. Anyways, yeah, so drum roll please for the giveaway winner. Congratulations, king or queen, whoever you may be. I don't know who you are, but congratulations. Thank you so much for taking your time to enter into my giveaway and giving me the opportunity to bless someone with a gift this Christmas during everything that 2020 had to offer. Thank you for just giving me the opportunity to do that. So yeah guys, that was the end of the video. Nothing too long telling you guys about the giveaway winner, but wait, there's more. So guys, I am having New Year Vlogmas. It is 6 beautiful, wonderful days of videos from December 26th to December 31st. I'm doing a week of videos for the New Year. So leading up to New Year, I'll be dropping a video every single day of the week, okay? And if I did this right, y'all should have seen the edit of everything coming down, oh baby. But anyways, yeah guys, I'm gonna be dropping a video every single day for the next 6 days. I hope you guys are excited. I hope you guys stay tuned. I'm ready, I'm happy. But yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you guys. If you did like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, share this video with a family, friend, or ho ho ho, and last but not least, because your girl got cut off, subscribe. So yeah guys, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and if you don't celebrate Christmas, Merry Holidays to you too, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk.